So I decided to come outside, and this lost dog came up running, kind of scared me, but we called the tag and the owner picked him up. He was pretty scared. Alright, yo, so we're on the way to check out the damaged areas. Hopefully we could get there. There's not a lot of traffic, or at least enclosed or anything. But I just want to document a little bit and record a little bit of the damage since it happens so close to my house. Let's go. Alright, yo, so we're getting close to that Home Depot. I guess all the traffic lights are out and the roads are closed pretty much everywhere. It's a mess. Yeah, there's a bunch of broken stuff around here. I'll show you. It's a mess. We'll have to do like a 4-way stop over here. And it's like 3 lanes each, so it's a mess. Okay, yo, we're at the Home Depot, and it looks messed up. Well, look at that light over there, first of all. Check it out. So closed. See that right there? You can hear the alarms. See, it's all closed off, but you can hear the alarms. It's just we got the Home Depot right over there, which it took a direct hit. Then we got over here. Tell that roof over there. Let's just walk a little more. Oof. Bunch of pieces of glass everywhere. Check out this fencing. Wow. So you can see all these big trees messed up everywhere. Big trees. Ooh, look at that. What the Jesus Christ, it hit. Like a couch. Look at this guy. Holy crap. Alright, so check this 18-wheeler trailer. Bro, it's a war zone. Look at that line. Those lines are pretty dangerous, actually. Holy crap. Look at that. Look at that. Holy crap. I don't know what's going on here. so I shouldn't be here. First of all, look at that house. Holy crap. Wow, so check it out. All these houses got hit hard, very hard. Wow. Especially this one. Oh my god. I guess they were building this one. I don't know. Wow, so check it out. All these houses got hit hard, very hard. Wow. Especially this one. Oh my god. I guess they were building this one. I don't know.
To see if she and the dog was in the cedar closet, and I got in there with her and shut the door, and the windows and the trees fell on top of the house.
Wow.
Like that.
Crazy. Alright, yo, so my GoPro died, but I got some pretty good footage, and we're one of the parts of the neighborhood that I hit really hard over here after Love Field, and we're just gonna check it out right now. I'm just gonna show you some footage. So I'm just gonna keep walking the street a little bit and show you guys some more. It's pretty crazy. I shouldn't be here probably because there's a bunch of families trying to get their stuff back, but I just wanted to show you how dangerous it is. You gotta take cover. This thing is real. We always say it's gonna miss us, but it sometimes does, but then it hits us. And see the helicopters up there. Wow. Look at that tree. Look at that huge tree. That's a huge tree. Wow. Amazing. Look at all the fence, all the damage, all those trees. See all the roofing. Got hit pretty hard over here. Wow. It's crazy. Maybe I shouldn't even walk around here. How's it going? Wow. Yeah, that's reality. Just tornado. I don't know exactly what strength it was, but I'll find out when I get home and figure out that more. I think this is the hardest part where it hit, the hardest spot where it hit. So